Hi everyone, this is Dr. Lakshmi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about a very special and expensive spice throughout the world, that is saffron. In Hindi it is called as kesar, in Malayalam it is called as kungumappu, and scientifically it is known as Crocus sativus. From very old time it is used in many of the traditional medicine as well as in cosmetics. Classical text Bhavaprakash Nigandu describes saffron is of three varieties, that is Kashmiram, Bahaligam and Parasigam. Among this, Kashmir is the best variety, that is saffron which is cultivated in Kashmir region. And we are using the dried style and stigma of saffron flower for this cosmetic and medicinal purpose. And this saffron has got a very distinct odor and it is pungent and bitter in taste. It is very hot in potency, that means it has got Ushna Veryam. In this video, I will be discussing about the benefits of saffron and its special use during pregnancy and lactation, and what are the benefits if men are using saffron on a regular basis. According to Nigandus, saffron has got Dibana, Pajna, Rujigara and Chardi Nigraha property. That means in low doses, saffron will stimulate the secretion of digestive juices and it will help for proper digestion of food. And at the same time, it will help to relieve any nauseating feeling and it will stop vomiting. Next, it has got Varnium and Vranaromana properties. Varnium means it will brighten up the complexion and it will help to reduce any hyperpigmentation spots. Next, it has got Vranaromana properties. That means it helps to heal any bruises, ulcers or any kind of skin diseases when applied externally. A famous Ayurvedic preparation containing saffron is called as Kungumadi Taila. This medicated Kungumadi Thailam is helpful to reduce acne, acne marks, dark spots, dark circles, wrinkles, etc. Saffron can be taken internally to reduce respiratory ailments in case of asthma, cold, cough, especially dry cough. You can use saffron so that it will reduce the symptoms. For this, you can use 2 to 3 strands of saffron in half glass of warm milk mixed with 2 pinch of turmeric powder, and you can take it anytime in a day. It can be used in case of rheumatoid arthritis to reduce inflammation and pain, and it is also helpful to reduce inflammation and pain in other joints. It helps to reduce nerve pain. In any cases of neuralgias, you can use saffron on a daily basis. It is also useful in cases of liver diseases and urinary disorders. In cases of painful urination and all, you can use saffron on a daily basis for a span of 7 to 14 days so that the symptoms will get reduced. Saffron has got Manaprasadagara karma. That means it will help to stimulate your mood. So it is helpful in those patients who are suffering with depression, and it is also helpful in any kind of phobias. Saffron will help to boost memory. So it is helpful in diseases like Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, etc. And it is also helpful in cases of insomnia. Saffron protects against various cancers. That is because of the presence of a compound crocin found in saffron. It will help to fight against various cancers like leukemia, ovarian cancer, etc. Medicinally, saffron is a stimulant. It has got aphrodisiac property. So in men, those who are suffering with premature ejaculation, they can use this on a regular basis. It will increase the number and duration of erection, and it is also helpful to reduce fatigue in men and to cure any causes of infertility. And it is also useful in erectile dysfunction and seminal debility. Saffron has got Arthava Janana property, so it is useful in cases of delayed puberty, and in ladies it is useful to treat menstrual cramps, premenstrual syndrome, and in case of menstrual irregularities. Next, let me tell you the use of saffron during pregnancy. Most of us know that our parents and grandparents used to tell ladies to take saffron during pregnancy because it will increase the complexion of babies. But till now, there is no research proof showing that it will increase the complexion of baby. It solely depends on the heredity. But there are many other benefits of consuming saffron during pregnancy. It will calm morning sickness, reduce mood swings, aids in digestion, reduces gas, bloating, acidity, nausea, and vomiting. It will help to manage blood pressure. It will reduce pain and cramps, which are very common during pregnancy. It also aids in better sleep, and especially saffron during 9th month of pregnancy aids in easy childbirth because it will help in the effacement of cervix. Obviously, the next question will be, can we consume saffron during the entire period of pregnancy? Actually, no. Because at the beginning itself, I said saffron is very hot in potency. Consuming saffron will increase our body heat and it will increase the frequency of uterine contractions. So it is safe to consume saffron only at the onset of 5th month of pregnancy, because by that time the pregnancy will be stable and the risk of endangering the baby due to premature contraction will be reduced. One more very important thing, those ladies who have complications during their pregnancy, present pregnancy or previous pregnancy, or any cases of abortions or sporting, all these ladies should consult your personal gynecologist before consuming saffron, even after 5th month of pregnancy. Next is the proper dosage of saffron during pregnancy. You can take 1 to 2 strands of saffron in a day. You can either mix these 2 saffron in 1 glass of warm milk and have it in a day, or you can just have that 2 strands with a half glass of warm water, or you can add it in your curries and have. Please don't take large doses of saffron during pregnancy because it will trigger contractions and cause premature delivery. So it is always safe to use maximum up to 2 strands of saffron during pregnancy. And make sure you are using only high quality saffron and reduce the risk of artificial coloring and impurities in saffron. During lactation, 1 to 2 strands of saffron can be consumed daily. General dosage of saffron is 0.5 grams to less than 1 gram of saffron in a day. Generally, you can consume like 2 to 3 strands of saffron in a day. Next is how to consume saffron on a regular basis. You can consume 2 to 3 strands of saffron in a day. You can just take it with half glass of warm water, or you can take it with 1 glass of warm milk, or you can just put it in your curries and you can have it. Next is side effects of consuming saffron. If you are taking saffron on a proper dosage, there is no side effects. But if you are increasing the dosage, there are chances of getting bloody diarrhea, bleeding from nose, lips, etc. So take proper dosage of saffron. I hope this video was useful, and if you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and relatives. And if you have any doubts, please write it over the comment box section. I will try to reply all my viewers. Thank you.